In this video, I will be showing you how to blur a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to watch my videos every week. Alright, to get started, I added a video on my timeline, and now if you want to add in a blur effect for your video, make sure you always create an adjustment layer so that whenever you want to remove it, you can just simply delete your adjustment layer. So to create your adjustment layer, you just got to head over to your project and right click and create a new adjustment layer. And you just simply got to drag this adjustment layer to top of your video and adjust it to your timeline. And now what you got to do is go to your effect and search in for the Gaussian blur, and there you go, drag your Gaussian blur into your adjustment layer. And now what you need to do is go to your effects controls panel and search in for the Gaussian blur. Under Gaussian blur, you will find for blurriness. Over there you can change your blurriness by dragging your mouse pointer like this, or you can either select it and change your amounts manually. And make sure you select this box so you get rid of the black edges in your video. And now if you want to have a blur in blur out effect, make sure to move your marker to the place where you want to have your blur in, and make sure to toggle up your blurriness animation key so a keyframe gets created over here. And now move your marker to where you want to end your blurriness effect, and over there you can just simply change your amounts and your keyframe will get created. Now if you play back the video from there, you will have your blurriness created. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you did benefit, make sure you leave a thumbs up on this video and make sure to check out the video right over there and check for the 5 basic steps you need to know on Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.